Hey everyone, Nick here. Today I'm going to be taking apart the spy video car. Okay, let's get started. Okay, all the bottom screws are out, so let's flip it back over. And, look, bottom already fell off. So, ta-da! Alright. Now, you can take the front wheels and move them to the side. Okay, now before you can actually get into here, you have to take this wire out. This wire connects to the camera, right? So just pull it out. Okay. And now you can just turn this over to the side. This is the motor that goes to the steering. There's a few gearboxes in here and this moves back and forth. This over here is the drive box. The gearbox for the back tires makes these guys go back and forth. Right here, this is probably for the camera. It's just a little transmitter. Here's the transmitter antenna. And here's the wire that goes to the camera. All you need to do is remove these 4 screws right here. Let's get started. Alright, so then this little wire, just slide it out as far as you can. Just like that. Okay, so now back to the... So here's the little camera box right here. Again, 4 more screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's take those out. Okay. So just move these back and forth a little. There. Okay, so here's your camera, but you can actually take a lot more off. Our camera's right here. All you gotta do is maybe spin it a little, but just pull. There you go. So here's your camera. This is the black and white camera that you saw in the other video. It's not much, just a little circuit board mounted camera. It's a little cheap. Alright, now, there's 2 more things up here. Now, this is nothing. They just put that there to even everything out. This, on the other hand, is a real LED. It does work. It's infrared, so that the camera can see in the dark. Now, it's not connected to anything. In the older version, it was connected to a wire, which went into there, and on your headset, you could flip a switch to turn it on. But people were complaining that it turned everything really red. So they took it off. But if you wanted to, you could connect that, and it would still work. So, there's a hack for you. Well, there's not really much more to this camera. So, let's put it back and continue. Okay, so camera's back on. Just make sure it's on there nice and snug. And pull this back out. Push the wire in through the little connector. Alright, sorry about that. So, we take our camera and, I guess I went too far. Just make sure that it slides right into place. There's not much to actually slide, but right there. Okay, so that's your little enclosure. So take this, pop it right back on. Now, put the screws back in. Okay, so now just pop that right back on there. Pull this wire back through. And then put the 4 screws back in these holes. Okay, so there you go. That's your camera. What we're left with is a few things. Now, something very hard that's, well, it's not hard, I had to do it quite a few times. You're probably going to have to put the front wheels back in. So, let's see how this is done. So, you take this piece, just how it is. The indent goes, right, so it just sits on there like that. Then you can put this down. Then, for your car, you make sure you have the wheel on the right side. Take it and lift the lid a little. In there, right in there, just like that. Okay. So the big bottom one faces down, and then the 2 top ones are up at the top. So you put the bottom one in, slip the other 2 in. Okay, so there you go. It's now on there. So just put the screws back on and everything will go good. Okay, and there you go. Your car is good as new. And just before we put all our tools away, we should check if it works. So, controller's on, car's on. So let's see, steering. Oops. Okay, that's working. Forward, backwards. Still works. Okay, so there you have it. That's what's inside your Spy Gear Wild Planet Spy video car. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. I had fun too. Well, check out my other videos. I have 2 more videos so far on my spy video car. I might be posting another one soon. So please comment if you think this is a good one. Post video response if you want to do something yourself. And please subscribe if you like what I do. Well, thanks for watching.